Daikin started manufacturing air conditioners in 1982 with around 20 staff. These days we employ more than 200 people on the factory floor, making 600 air conditioners a day. We really pride ourselves on providing a career pathway for our staff. The best part of my job is seeing how people have developed.
If I didn't get the support I get from my managers, I probably wouldn't be where I am at the moment. I've started from a process worker to a leading hand, supervisor, and there are still many more opportunities to go from where I am now.
It's quite difficult for a new graduate, but with the help from my manager, it makes me feel more comfortable from the student to a professional.
What I love about my job is every day it's different. Every day it's a different problem, and then getting support from factory staff, from management team to being able to overcome that problem.
For the product research and development, I have the opportunity to deal with a lot of new technologies. My manager, he shared his experience to me and encouraged me to always think a step ahead.
The best support person is definitely our manager. I've always doubted myself and he's always pushed me to grow, to be better, to think outside the box.
I want to take more responsibilities in the new product development and in charge of a product's full life cycle.
Strong leadership is using the people around you, using your team, being able to delegate, gain feedback from others and use it to be better.
Daikin's been here in Chipping Norton since 1982. We employ more than 200 skilled manufacturing workers and our forecast is for growth, so we will be here for a long time to come.
Daikin.